D28 Math. Our word problem today is called pencil bins. At the beginning of the day, there was 405 sharp pencils in the bin. 136 pencils broke during the day. How many sharp pencils are left? So as I read this again, I want you to visualize the problem, and then I'm retelling the problem to you. At the beginning of the day, there was 405 sharp pencils in the bin. 136 pencils broke during the day. How many sharp pencils are left? So now we can mark off that we visualized the problem and retold the problem. We're going to underline some key words and circle key numbers. So we need to circle 405 and underline sharp pencils. We need to circle 136 and underline pencils broke. So if a pencil breaks, we can't use them again until they are resharpened. And then we underline our question, which is how many sharp pencils are left. So we are subtracting today. And we started with 405, and then we're going to subtract 136. Let's mark off that we underlined keywords and circled key numbers. Down here at the bottom, I'm going to write my problem. When we subtract, we only make the first number in base 10 blocks, so I'm only going to make 405. I did leave room for tens, even though I do not have any tens in 405. I did leave room just in case I might need some tens. So our first step is to look at our second number and look in the ones place. And we have a 6 in the ones place, but we only have 5 ones. Normally, we would trade out a 10 for more ones, but we do not have any tens. So the first thing we have to do is trade out 100 for 10 tens. So cross out 100 and make 10 tens. And then we're going to cross out one of the tens and make 10 ones. So now we should have 15 ones. So that's enough to subtract 6. So let's mark off 6 of them. Count how many ones you have left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to put a 9 in the ones place. We're finished with the ones. So now we need to subtract 3 tens. So I'm going to mark off 3 tens. Make sure you don't count the one that you traded for tens. That's a common mistake. So you should have 4 total tens crossed out because we traded 1 for 10 ones and then we had to take away 3 additional. So once you've marked off the 3 additional, let's count how many tens we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to put a 6 in the tens place. We're finished with the tens. Now we need to subtract our 100 because 136 has 1 in the hundreds place. So we're going to mark out another 100. Again, make sure that you don't count the one that you traded as your 1 because we traded it and we need to take out an additional 1. So we have 2 hundreds left. We're going to write 2 in the hundreds place and write 269. And we were talking about pencils, so we're going to write 269 pencils. Oops. Alright guys, if you need any help, please let me know. I'd love to help you.